Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Toronto Pearson International Airport. For your comfort and safety, please remain seated with your baggage stowed until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. If you require assistance, leave the aircraft, please remain in your seat and we will help you as soon as the aisle is free. This is the end of our flight today. Please remember to take all your personal belongings with you. On behalf of Air Canada Proud Members to Alliance, Captain Peter and entire crew, we do thank you for flying Air Canada. It's been a pleasure having you on board today, and we look forward to serving you again sometimes in the very near future. Thank you, and a very good afternoon.